Take out the lower bearing number 1. Push and take out the tilting pads from the home. After disassemble locking pins and bolts. Disassemble the lower gland packing head number 1. Push and take out the packing segment ring from the home. Disassemble bolts which are clamped with HP lower diaphragm and the casing. Take out one by one carefully after separating from the casing. Push and take out the diaphragm packing segment ring from the home after taking out diaphragm. Take out the lower nozzle box.